Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get none button in payment in iPhone and iPad in iOS 16. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Now what we have to do, we have to launch settings, tap on your profile ID. Here we have to tap on media and purchase and tap view account. Now we have to wait, then tap country origin. To tap again, change country origin. Now we need to select the country, your destination country. I'm going to select United States. After that, tap on agree in top right corner, agree and agree again. Now select none and fill the billing address that way you are living and tap next and tap done. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.